These bangs are gonna pull up. Now watch, if I pull them down, see how, here's a little calic right there. If you pull them down, curly hair just wants to do its own thing. Don't cut it too short, just saying. Okay, so where do you think on here? I would do about right there.
You don't think that's too short?
I don't, because you're gonna have this all curly, right?
Yeah. Well,
And you wear the thing curly. Right. So I could go longer though, like, because I want you to be the, I could do there. See, this angle was wrong.
Right.
That angle is definitely wrong. Let me show you that angle. See this, guys? Wrong angle. All right, guys, so Lisa's really good at her own hair, and she's done angles and frames around her hair. So I'm going to do the back, and we both discuss. Now, this is the most important thing for you guys. You got to discuss with your client what they want. So even though I would go shorter with her hair, so look at, this is really long, but this is the wrong angle. And I really want to show you this. This is super important, okay? This angle is like just straight up. So you really want this angle that it's like on a slant, okay? Where you know if I come this way, I take that corner off. This corner, if you don't take that corner off, you get the ledge. Do you ever have a ledge in it? Okay, the ledge comes. Okay, because this is too thick right here. This is your most important part out of anything that I can teach you, this piece. You know, it took me years to get ledges out of people's hair because I didn't know what I was doing wrong. But it's because this piece right here should be angled with the fingers going down. Fingers to the floor, knuckles up to the ceiling, and you cut that corner off. That's the corner that makes the ledge. Everything else doesn't. It's this top crown part. So we're going to go not so short. So I'm going to do that first, okay? See that? And then when it drops, there's this beautiful cascading layers. And I'm going to just soften that hair. I'm not going to do it super soft. Now listen, Lisa, I want you to tell me, do you think it's a little heavier hair?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to tap it. You guys know what I do with tapping, right? Tap, tap, tap. Little pieces. I'm just going to tap, tap, tap that hair because those little pieces are going to hold up all that curl. Because she's got curly hair, like wave. Nice, nice, beautiful. And she scrunches her hair. Now, some of her hair was straight. I seen that, some ends. So we want to make sure that like there's some texture in that bottom, especially in this heavy weight right here. I want a little bit in her root to the end. Yeah, this is going to be such a good haircut because I'm giving her what she wants, not what I want. Okay, she wants that length, but if the good thing is, even if we have that longer, as long as there's texture in there, that hair is going to bounce up. It'll be stunningly beautiful. Stunning. And you just put a good curl cream. Do you have a good curl cream?
I have 10 curl cream. I just keep buying different ones and trying different ones.
So you haven't found like the one that you love yet?
The one I like a lot is Living Proof.
Okay.
But I would happily take a recommendation.
Oh my gosh, it's our #1 seller, and it's like the best curl cream ever. Like even when I wear my hair curly, I always use that because I just feel like, and I've had thousands of curl products, but I always go back to this one because it just does the job. You know, it curls it enough. It doesn't make it I want to say hard.
Right.
You know, it makes it natural, but yet it holds the curl. Yeah, exactly. Oh, beautiful hair. I love your hair. It's like strong, but yet soft, yet, yeah, it's very good. There's my little piece. That's probably from the front that I grabbed it. So, otherwise, you need to check. Check. Make the haircut great. I'm going to go to the part. It's those little pieces that are going to matter more. Okay. Now that's my guide for that. Now I'm doing her right side. And I am going to hold it like this. Look at my fingers. There we go. Get that off right there. And we're going to work together to find out like what really works with her hair. She's going to say, I love the texture in that hair. It really stayed good. Or I need it more short next time. Or I want maybe less texture and just cut a clean line on those ends. Like you work together with somebody to learn their hair. You know, because I don't know her hair enough, but I have experience of her type of hair for sure. So I'm going to use my experience of what I know. But again, she's still individual and unique. And we love to tailor it to people's own uniqueness.
Front and the back. That wasn't always
matching.
Right.
Anybody? 10 o'clock, yeah.
Yeah.
Sophia? Sure.
I don't know. I just think it's very hard to do the back of your own hair.
Yeah.
It's just.
It is. It takes me like, I got to like be ready. So I grab that back and I bring it straight up. See how I just did your hair in 3? You take it straight up. And then I take the next one straight up. And you cut it. But still, I did layer it all. So, you know, even when I do mine, that's how I do mine. I just pick it up and lift it there. But, yeah, it's not, I don't really watch a lot of my back or see it. But, you know, to have it more layered, I need somebody else to do it because it's not that easy to do. Your front and top is much easier. Now I'm going to do an outline. How much do you want to take off the length? And just a trim?
Yes.
Oh yeah, look at you have one tail back here. Just got a little tail back there. Gotta get that tail, which you guys can see. And she's got definitely some great hair. So this is a leave-in conditioner because she needs moisture in that hair. And I want to soften that curl a little bit. Get those pieces on those sides. And I'm going to really run that through. I'm going to get it all in, And now I'm going to use my magic sauce. You guys know when I do my hair curl, I use this. I have a lot of videos using this stuff because I just love it. So that would be like, okay, for one side. I want to get those ends. Get them in. You got to really get the whole curl. And you just get it in there. Okay, now I want more. I mean, I could blow your hair out really amazing too. Just saying. Well, I'll try this, but I don't really do this, so that would be nice for people to see. Now you scrunch your hair yourself too, right?
I might use a diffuser on it.
Yep, I'm going to use a diffuser. Yep, once it's set, right? Just to like, you let it, I usually let my hair dry naturally and then, yeah.
But sometimes it takes.
Yeah, it has a lot more moisture in it. This is the Davinus Curl Foam Mousse. Just because I want extra moisture in here because of the gray hair.
Sometimes I have to be wet
Yeah.
on my face. Yeah, that's fine.
Then I love to take a towel and like scrunch it. Is it trying to work? I love this diffuser. It's a baby bliss. Okay. I'm going to get her right at the top first. And one more thing I want to do. I want to spray on, oh, here it is, Sugar Lift. I love this. Now listen, Sugar Lift makes the hair shiny, but it also puts texture in the hair. So usually I use salt spray, but salt spray gets too dry looking. So when you're at the beach, your hair could be like va-voom because it's salt. Salt blows up the cuticle, but so does sugar, but sugar doesn't make it dry. So I'm going to put some right here because I want this to have volume. Just in her top. Okay. Now I'm going to have your hair back. Yeah. Good. Yeah. I know. See how pretty? It's looking good. Wait, the right product, the right stuff, and then it's going to go the right way. And see all the uniform in there of those curls. And things that you can do too, right? This is oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Smells so good. And now I want to put that oil back in her hair. That moisture. Right now my hair's not blown out, like, but I just put curl cream. I put conditioner in there. You could actually put conditioner in tomorrow. Yeah, thank you. Right, exactly. Formula 18, like tomorrow, you just put that Formula 18 and reactivate the product. Gorgeous. Formula 18 is the product that I feel like is the best that would be for you because you already have curl creams. Like, use that, but then the next day, like tomorrow, you're going to wake up and your hair is going to be like a bush. You just sprayed enough. All right, so Formula 18, okay. I would re-wet this. And it's going to make everything curlier. Even I get under here, get underneath, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Because those ends sometimes, when I hold it. But remember, I'm reactivating. It has the conditioner in there right now, but it will weigh down the hair. This is a leave-in conditioner. See, this curls are popping back up. So it'll be nice. This side is all, and this side will actually dry super soft, but curls and defined. So you see the difference? Look at this side. Yeah, it's so good. Formula 18. This is one of my magic little secrets that I love. All right, hold on, let me show. Ta-da! Look at her beautiful, beautiful curl. Gorgeous. See that? So it's all beautiful shape. And here we go. Lisa, look at her pretty, pretty hair. Are you single? No. Okay, good. Just make sure no, she's not single, just saying. Good. It looks so good. Right now. I love it. She knows her own hair. See all the nice curls? I want you to turn to your right. Turn to your left. See, it's all nice and flowy. That's the goal, guys. All right, guys. So she does her own hair herself every day. So we did it the way she would do it. And I want her to see what it would look like. But now I want to show you one trick with a brush that you could do in the front of her hair to really see a transformation just for something so small that you could do. Little baby brush. I'm just going to take her front. One piece throughout her whole front and make it go back. I'm going to pull it forward. Just a little change. 3 little pieces, 4 little pieces. Look at that. What do you think, right? There we go. The 80s are back. We got it with her beautiful, beautiful hair. A little softness. Ta-da! What do you think? You like it for a change? Right, that little bit. Little 2 pieces. Yay! All right, guys.